Hello, my name's Helen and I'm the Cataloguing Manager for the Unlocking Our Sound Heritage project. We've been really lucky here at Norfolk to work with some really exciting collections. One of my personal favourites is a collection we have been lent by the British Antarctic Survey, who are based in Cambridge. The British Antarctic Survey is a really exciting organisation who do scientific research in Antarctica. Their work's really groundbreaking and they have a fabulous archive that they keep themselves. Being able to delve into their audio archive and digitise those to help them has been a wonderful job. The content is really exciting. It starts very early in the 20th century with a wax cylinder recording of Ernest Shackleton describing some of his adventures in Antarctica. Hearing the voice of the great explorer is something that really raises goosebumps on your arms. Alongside this, there are more modern recordings of lectures and some really interesting scientific experiments. So there are some experiments on the effect of helicopter noise on penguin behaviour.
The king penguin rookery at the Bay of Isles, 21st of December 1961. Most of the grunting noises you can hear are the penguins protesting about their neighbours. The display calls are quite characteristic, and behind it all is the constant background of the tweeting of the chicks.
And also recordings of elemental atmospheric phenomena like Halley whistlers and other kinds of scientific data. And they are fascinating and a whole world in themselves. Of course, to catalogue them, we have to listen to them. We have to find out a bit of information about the recording, about who made them, and then write all that down in a format that can be understood both by the people who want to listen to them in the future, but also by the computer systems that are going to preserve the archives at the British Library. We hope that eventually lots of these recordings are going to be available on the British Library's brand new Sounds website for everyone to listen to for free. So this project is not just about preserving sound archives, but about making them more accessible and more available to the general public.